It has been 10 days since my sand episode, and want to just go ahead and show you today how things are looking 10 days later. Let you know that I just got back from vacation a couple days ago. First thing I did was get on here and mow it because I was pushing 1.25 inches, and when you're mowing at 3/4 of an inch, 1.25 inches is quite long. It looked really shaggy, really ugly.
But it's not shaggy, nor ugly.
So today I just want to show you where things are at now after having mowed already. I mowed, it's been been 2 or 3 days since I mowed. I think we got back on Saturday, so yeah, it's been 2 days since I mowed. I'll probably mow it again this morning. We've been getting a lot of wind, so there is some debris on the lawn, but overall, very impressed. Let me show you what's going on. Let me show you what I'm going to do to get it to go the rest of the way and bring it back, and we'll get started. As far as going forward and filling it in the rest of the way, what I'm planning to do is mow it regularly, and we're talking like every other day or so, just to kind of get that grass to want to spread laterally and fill in the gaps. When you look at the grass from far away, or even from right here, it looks great. It looks wonderful. But when you're walking straight on top of it and looking straight down, you can see it's still patchy and it's got a lot of filling in to do. So I'm gonna mow it, and then I am going to be applying an application of fertilizer here. I'm gonna run the ProPeat at 1/2 pound of nitrogen. I do spoon feed this lawn. I try and get it done about every 2 or 3 weeks. I try to run 1/2 pound or so, and it's been working really well for me. I've also got some humic acid that I'll apply, the Enviroplex from Ecologel. Been really liking that. 22% humic acid. Just let it go, and that just really makes things work faster. And that's the idea here. Fill it in fast, push it hard, and it should be fine. We're getting back into the happy place as far as weather goes for Kentucky bluegrass. I think the highest temperatures we'll see anymore is about 80, maybe 82. So perfect window to push this, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Let's get after it. Okay, that's it for me today. Glad to have that done, and wanted to just show you, Flowzone came out with a new backpack strap. This is their comfort strap, and I've got to say it is miles better than what originally came with mine. Just to give you an idea, this is the original strap that came, and it's pretty padded. Like, I had really no complaints, especially when I did my review video, but these are pillows, and it's got a extra padding for the back here, and a nice handle up top so that you can pour this out a little easier. And it's got waist padding too. Miles better, miles and miles more comfortable and more enjoyable when you put this on your back. If you're interested in any of the products that I used in this video today, I'll go ahead and leave links in the description for you, and you can check those out. Can't wait to see this come back. I'm happy that I at least can mow it. I was a little nervous at first to mow it just because you never know. I made sure to give it a good leaf blower job and clean up as much as I could. But even though this sand is screened, there's still pebbles and stuff in there, and that just kind of worries me. So I just pay really close attention before I mow and during the mow to make sure I don't run over anything that could potentially damage the reel or the bed knife. But very happy with where I'm at. Lots more to come. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.